Source elements.
Okay, to make the RTL video to send to Alan at 8dB, we open Source-RTL Creator. It tells me to drag the video file that's in my Pro Tools session into here, which we shall do. We need to check the frame rate's correct. Yes, it's 25 frames per second. I'm not using any compensation at all. And I need to enter in the correct time code that it has in my Pro Tools session, which is 09590000. There we go. And then I press create. And we call that RTL video for Alan at 8dB. File we created, please provide a password. Okay, I can see here's my zip file, so I can drag that up and transfer that across to Alan. There we go. All done. Effortless.
Source elements.